Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Rich coming back to you for another weekly review. We had another positive week this week. As you can see, I made $456, and this is off one of my evaluation accounts. Now, what I ended up doing, or I ended up passing two of my evaluation accounts. I'm really happy for that. So going forward, what I'm going to do is I'm only going to show basically just one of my past accounts here going forward, instead of just posting evaluation accounts. I'm only going to trade one contract, but what I intend on doing is using the copy trader to trade double the amount of contracts with the other accounts. And some accounts I have like a ratio of 4, so 4 times the initial contract. So I'm kind of testing the waters in that effect. Now, I've been recording every single one of my trades, but I've been putting it private. But we'll see what I intend on doing. But I'm planning on posting it publicly, each recorded trades. It's not gonna be too detailed. All I'm really gonna do is gonna say how much I made for that day, and how many trades I've made, and that's pretty much what I intend on doing there. So now with that out of the way, I'm gonna go over like all the costs that I've made. So basically, I paid for a total of almost So we got to change this to So I paid almost for 30 accounts here, 30 accounts for a total of 620. We could change this to evaluation accounts. Evaluation accounts here. So I paid a total of $632.56. I passed 2 evaluation accounts, and this is from these 2 accounts here. What's funny about this passing was I was really that day was a day I lost 2 times in a row, and that's stopped trading for the day. So what I was intending on doing was going bust with these 2 accounts, because I didn't want to reset it. So I ended up doing an all or nothing thing. Either I take a loss and cancel this, or I pass the accounts, and that's what ended up happening. I ended up passing the accounts, and I'm just really happy for that, and we'll see how it goes. Now, so far I paid a total of almost $1,000, $952.56 thus far. And that's pretty much it for this. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over this week here. So this week, as I mentioned to you on this call, not on this call, excuse me, on this recording, I was profitable. And there was one day that I was pretty much not doing too well, and let's go over that day today. All right, so taking a look here, you'll notice that I got 2 losses on this section here. So I got stopped out. So it looks like I was intending on going, looking here, my entry was this, and I stopped out at 8. So I was intending on going long here. And then after going long, I got stopped out. And then afterwards, let me look at the timestamp here. Like literally 6 minutes, it looks like 7 minutes later, I went into another trade, this time going short, and I got stopped out there. And I'm really glad that I was able to stop after this point, because I told myself that 2 losses in a row, I got to stop. And the fact of the matter is, I wanted to trade so bad, trying to win back my profits, but I know, based on my past experience, that's generally not a good thing. So I'm really, really happy I stopped there. And this is also the same day I ended up passing with these 2 accounts. As you can see in this journal that I wrote here, I ended up passing, going all out, intending to cancel it if I didn't make it, or just passing, and I ended up passing. So I'm really happy for that. In the future, obviously, I don't want to gamble that hard, but ended up working. I'm not gonna complain. But what I should have done here too is I should have probably stopped here after this and waited maybe 15 minutes or so. But this is most likely a good trade only because of the fact that I saw it curling. I saw it curling along this moving average, so I'm not too sad about this. The second trade actually, because if you take a look at today. Today I made 2 trades, and I made a second trade here, but this time I held it, and I almost like got 1 or 2 ticks. I would have been stopped out on the second trade, but this is actually the longest hold that I've done since I've been recording here. I held it for like 38 minutes for that one, and I'm just really glad that I didn't take profit sooner at that point. So I'm really happy for that. That's something that I've been working on. But yeah, with that being said, look out. There's most likely, instead of putting my recorded trading into private, I will intend on posting it after each session going forward now. So stay tuned for that. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and take care.